Okay, students, so it's time to get going in this course. If you made it this far, you're in your CIS 101 course. And this would be like the first day of class. I would say, hi, welcome everyone. And we'd go over class procedures. And that's just what you're going to be doing, only you're going to be doing it online in your own time that is convenient for you, but by the due dates. So here's my welcome message to you. And in this welcome that you're listening to right now, you can also read, because what you're going to be doing is following steps. So you're first going to read announcements. In fact, anytime that you log into class, it's a good idea for you to read announcements. This is like when you walk into the classroom and the teacher says, this is what's going on today and next week, whatever. You also will get these announcements via your email, but just in case you miss them or need a reminder, you can always reflect back because they're archived right here in our class. And the next thing I want you to do is click on my messages over here on the left, because this is going to tell you if I've sent you any messages, any email. We use my messages in Blackboard, so this keeps all of our communication within our course. Now, if you should happen to email me at driscolla@buffalostate.edu, it's okay, and I'll get to it eventually. But I check my messages almost every day, definitely every other day, and sometimes things get buried in my Buffalo State email. So that's a good way for you to leave me a message. Notice it says reply to any messages there. This is one of the ways I take attendance. So if I've sent you a message and I'm not getting a response, I'm going to want to know what's going on, why you're not participating in the class. So that's just one of the ways. There's some other ways as well. So I want you to follow steps 1, 2, and 3 on the left navigation bar at this point. And that's right over here. You're going to complete the Blackboard student orientation. This is from SUNY. The SUNY Learning Network. You may have, or Open SUNY, I should say. It used to be the SUNY Learning Network. Open SUNY. They've made an orientation to Blackboard for you. Even though you may not want to do the whole thing, you might be very familiar with parts of Blackboard. There may be other parts you're not familiar with. So go take a look at it. Do what you can there. I'm not going to be checking on that, but I'm going to assume you know how to use Blackboard once you're in this class. And then we have course calendar and assignment schedule. I can't tell you how important this is, folks. So it's located here on the left. Oh, did I skip syllabus? I may have skipped our syllabus. They're backwards here. Okay, so step 2, we'll go there first. Step 2 is how the course works. So when you typically, when you have a class, the first day class, the professor will hand you a paper syllabus. Well, in this class, I'm not going to hand you anything. You're going to go get it. So it's online, and it's right here within your class. You can go through and continue going through this yourself. Now, I'm sorry I'm not here. I could read it to you if you want me to, but I think you'd find that boring. So go through and learn all about how our class works, what the objectives are, what you're going to be learning, what's your textbook that you're going to need, other materials, what we do in the class, how it's set up as modules. This is all explained in the syllabus. So I want you to go through this very carefully. It tells you how you're going to be graded, what the virtual lectures are about, what are your reading assignments, and so on. And everything in here is very important, just like the step 2, which is the course calendar and assignment schedule, or you'll see me refer to it as CC&AS. And your course calendar and assignment schedule is going to list every assignment that you have and every due date. Some of the assignments that you're going to see listed are reading assignments. And no, I'm not checking to see if you're reading. I'm just trying to help you pace yourself, because online is not easy. People think it is, Okay, I register, I'm going to get 3 credits. Well, no, you're actually going to earn 3 credits and you're going to work very hard. Some of it will not be hard for you because I have to cover all the topics for all students, and we don't know who knows what. So basically, this course is going to fill in the holes in your computing knowledge. This course calendar, you can scroll down and you'll see if I can. Okay, I hid the table of contents over here on the left for navigation so you can see the whole thing. So everything that you do in this class, step 1, there's that Blackboard student orientation, and that is due by Monday, and so on. So this course calendar and assignment schedule matches all the assignments that you have either in Blackboard or you'll see in our online simulation software that is SimNet. So you want to be very careful about these due dates. If you read the top, I don't take anything late. And the reason is you have everything laid out for you. So plan ahead and you'll be fine. When you have these assignments, it doesn't mean you have to do the assignment on that date. It means it is due to me on that date. And that is quite a different thing when you think about it. So procrastinators beware. It is very easy to let this course simmer on the back burner, and we don't want you to do that just because you don't have to come to class and look me in the eye every other day. Okay, so going back to our first announcement or the home page for our course, where you'll find all new announcements as they come along. We've gone through steps 1, 2, and 3, and at that point you are now ready to begin your learning. So learning module 1 is located over here on the left side. Learning modules right below steps 1, 2, and 3. And it's going to look like this. And you can see we have 6 learning modules and the final project module, which will be open about, halfway through the semester. So learning module 1, inside, you're going to find a module agenda with video overview, very similar to this video, only a lot shorter. And it's going to explain why you should read the virtual lectures and a little bit about the assignments you will find inside. And I think that's it for now. Be sure to send me my message if you have any questions, and get going.